here it is. I made the cut, and I'll be part of the YouTube KnifeMaker challenge. I'll be one of the 20 channels preparing the most badass, toughest choppers you'll see on YouTube. Check out these channels. They're listed in the video description. I see some of my friends here, some future friends, some strong adversaries. But I'm not judging. You are. And so is this set of 5 elite bladesmiths. So on April 22nd, all of our videos will go live. So get ready to vote. 25 epic chopper builds. And if you dare, build your own chopper for the challenge. Join the YouTube KnifeMaker challenge on Facebook to get all the details. Thanks to our sponsors, Broadneck Ironworks, Maritime Knife Supply, Mosa US, Pico Knives, DIY Europe, and Maximus Knives.
Thanks for watching. Good luck to everyone.